This is my online presentation assignment by me, Alex McKnight. So, a hobby, sport, or club organization that interests me. One sport I've always loved since I was little is volleyball. I played it in middle school, high school, not in college on a team, but I have played it for fun, and I still do. Some accomplishments that I'm proud of is in high school I was in the National Honor Society and I graduated within the top 100 people in my class. Something I hope to learn in this new student experience course is time management because I'm very bad with procrastinating things, but so far this class has helped me with that. And something personal I want to share with my teacher about online learning is personally, I don't always prefer it. I'd rather be in person just because I feel like I don't get the full experience and I like to be more hands-on.